Have you ever noticed that your vision feels worse at night than it used to? Maybe reading small print feels harder, lights look blurrier, or your eyes feel tired long before bedtime. Many seniors believe this is just normal aging. But what if part of the problem isn't your age at all, but what your eyes are missing at night? Here's something most people don't realize. Your eyes do not repair themselves during the day. They repair themselves while you sleep. That quiet nighttime window is when your retina, optic nerve, and tiny blood vessels finally get a chance to recover from daily strain. But without the right nutrients in your system before bed, that repair process slows down dramatically. And this is where nuts come in. Not just any snack, not sugary treats or processed foods, but very specific nuts that deliver zinc, vitamin E, omega-3 fats, magnesium, and antioxidants directly into your bloodstream. Nutrients your eyes desperately need as you age. Tonight, you'll discover 4 simple nuts that seniors can eat before bed to support clearer vision, stronger retinas, and calmer eyes while they sleep. These are not miracle cures. They are science-supported foods that work with your body's natural nighttime repair cycle. Let's start with the first nut, and it's one almost every senior already has in their kitchen: almonds. Almonds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the delicate cells of the retina from oxidative stress. As we age, free radicals build up inside the eyes, damaging the lens and accelerating conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin E acts like a shield, slowing that damage. But here's the nighttime advantage most people miss. Vitamin E is fat-soluble, meaning it absorbs better when your body is resting and not competing with daytime digestion. Eating a small handful of almonds about 30 to 60 minutes before sleep allows vitamin E to circulate during the exact hours your eyes are repairing themselves. Almonds also help reduce nighttime eye dryness. Many seniors wake up with gritty, irritated eyes, not realizing dehydration and inflammation are part of the problem. Almonds support tear film stability, helping your eyes stay moist and comfortable through the night. The key is portion size. 5 to 7 raw or lightly soaked almonds are enough. More is not better. Overeating before bed can interfere with sleep, which would defeat the purpose. Now let's talk about the second nut, one that directly supports the optic nerve. Walnuts. Walnuts are unique because they contain plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA. Omega-3s are critical for nerve signaling, including the optic nerve that carries visual information from your eyes to your brain. As we age, poor blood flow and inflammation weaken this connection. That's when vision becomes slower, dimmer, and less sharp. Eating walnuts before bed helps reduce nighttime inflammation and supports healthy blood circulation to the eyes. This is especially important for seniors at risk of glaucoma or pressure-related vision problems. Walnuts also contain melatonin-supporting compounds. This means they don't just help your eyes, they help you sleep deeper. And deeper sleep means better eye repair. 2 walnut halves are enough. Chew them slowly. Let digestion begin before lying down. The third nut is small, overlooked, and incredibly powerful for seniors: pistachios. Pistachios are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that concentrate directly in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp central vision. These compounds act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and reducing glare sensitivity. This is crucial for seniors who spend time on phones, tablets, or watching television in the evening. Eating pistachios at night allows lutein and zeaxanthin to reach the eyes during sleep, when retinal cells renew themselves. Over time, this can help improve contrast sensitivity and reduce visual fatigue. Pistachios also contain vitamin B6, which supports nerve health and reduces nighttime eye twitching, something many seniors experience without understanding why. About 1 tablespoon of unsalted pistachios is ideal. Now let's move to the fourth nut, the one most doctors quietly recommend for aging eyes: Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are the richest natural source of selenium, a mineral that supports antioxidant enzymes inside the eye. Selenium helps protect the lens and retina from oxidative damage and supports immune defense in eye tissues. As we age, selenium levels often drop. This weakens the eye's ability to defend itself against inflammation and degeneration. Just 1 Brazil nut before bed provides more than enough selenium for the day. More than 1 is unnecessary and not recommended. When combined, these 4 nuts create a powerful nighttime nutrition routine. Almonds protect, walnuts nourish nerves, pistachios sharpen vision, Brazil nuts defend against damage. But how you eat them matters just as much as what you eat. In the next part, you'll learn the exact nighttime routine seniors should follow to maximize eye repair, including timing, combinations, and common mistakes that silently block results. Now that you know the 4 nuts that support clearer vision, let's talk about something even more important: how to use them correctly at night. Many seniors eat healthy foods but still don't see results. Why? Because timing, digestion, and sleep quality matter more than most people realize. Your eyes follow a circadian rhythm, just like your brain and hormones. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., the eyes experience their deepest repair phase. Blood flow increases, inflammation decreases, and damaged cells begin restoration. If your body lacks nutrients during this window, repair is incomplete. This is why eating these nuts too early or too late reduces their effectiveness. The ideal time is 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, not immediately before lying down, and not hours earlier. This allows digestion to begin without disturbing sleep. Always eat the nuts raw or lightly soaked. Roasted nuts often contain oxidized oils that increase inflammation, the opposite of what aging eyes need. Another mistake many seniors make is combining nuts with sugar. Sweet snacks spike insulin, which interferes with nighttime repair and increases inflammation in the retina. If you want to enhance absorption, pair your nuts with a warm, non-caffeinated drink like chamomile tea or warm water. This relaxes blood vessels and improves nutrient delivery to the eyes. Now let's address a common concern. Will eating nuts at night cause weight gain? When eaten in small portions, no. In fact, nuts help stabilize blood sugar overnight, preventing cortisol spikes that lead to fat storage. Stable blood sugar also protects the tiny blood vessels in the eyes. Another overlooked benefit of nighttime nuts is magnesium. Walnuts and almonds contain magnesium, which relaxes eye muscles and reduces pressure buildup. This is especially helpful for seniors with eye strain, tension headaches, or pressure-related discomfort. Many seniors also suffer from nighttime eye dryness without realizing it's connected to nutrient deficiency. Vitamin E and omega-3s improve tear production and oil gland function, reducing morning irritation. Consistency is key. Eating these nuts once won't change your vision overnight, but after 2 to 4 weeks, many seniors report clearer mornings, reduced glare, and less eye fatigue. Some even notice improved night vision because healthier retinas process light more efficiently. However, there are people who should be cautious. If you have a nut allergy, avoid this routine. If you have kidney disease, consult your doctor before increasing selenium intake. And if you're on blood-thinning medication, keep portions small and consistent. Now let's talk about what not to eat before bed if you care about your vision. Salty snacks increase fluid retention and eye pressure. Alcohol dehydrates eye tissues and disrupts REM sleep. Late-night sugar feeds inflammation and accelerates retinal damage. Replacing these habits with a simple nut routine can make a powerful difference over time. In the next part, you'll learn how these nuts support specific eye conditions seniors worry about most, including cataracts, macular degeneration, glaucoma risk, and blurry vision. Let's talk about the vision problems that keep many seniors awake at night. Cataracts, macular degeneration, glaucoma, blurry vision, dry eyes, night glare. While no food can replace medical care, nutrition plays a critical role in slowing progression and supporting eye resilience. Almonds help protect the lens from oxidative clouding, which contributes to cataracts. Vitamin E slows protein oxidation inside the lens, keeping it clearer longer. Walnuts improve blood flow to the optic nerve, which is crucial for glaucoma prevention. Reduced inflammation and better circulation help regulate eye pressure naturally. Pistachios protect the macula, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin strengthen central vision and improve contrast sensitivity. Brazil nuts support antioxidant enzymes that defend against cellular damage across all eye tissues. Together, these nuts reduce oxidative stress, the root cause of most age-related vision decline. Another overlooked factor is sleep quality. Poor sleep accelerates eye aging. Nuts support melatonin production and nervous system relaxation, leading to deeper rest and better repair. Many seniors also notice reduced eye floaters over time, likely due to improved circulation and reduced inflammation. Hydration matters too. Drink enough water during the day, but avoid large amounts right before bed to prevent sleep disruption. You may wonder, can this routine help memory too? Yes. The same nutrients that protect your eyes also support brain health. The optic nerve is part of the central nervous system. When you nourish it, cognitive clarity often improves. This is why many seniors report sharper focus and reduced mental fatigue after adopting nighttime nutrition routines. But remember, this works best as part of a healthy lifestyle. Balanced meals, regular movement, and routine eye checkups matter. In the final part, we'll cover how to turn this into a simple nightly habit you can follow for years, and what signs to watch for as your eyes respond. The most powerful changes to vision health are often the simplest ones. Seniors don't need extreme diets, expensive supplements, or complicated routines to support their eyes. What matters most is consistency and giving the eyes the right nutrients at the right time. By now, you understand why nighttime matters. When you sleep, your eyes finally get relief from light exposure, screen strain, and environmental stress. Blood flow to the retina increases, inflammation naturally decreases, and damaged cells begin their slow repair process. This is the window when nutrition makes the biggest difference. Turning these 4 nuts into a nightly habit is easier than most seniors expect. Start by choosing a small bowl, not a large plate. Portion control is essential, especially before bed. Place 5 to 7 almonds, 2 walnut halves, 1 tablespoon of pistachios, and just 1 Brazil nut into the bowl. This exact balance provides antioxidant protection, nerve support, macular nourishment, and cellular defense, without overwhelming digestion. Eat them slowly, seated, and without distraction. Chewing thoroughly signals your digestive system to work efficiently and helps nutrients absorb properly. This also activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which prepares your body for restful sleep. Many seniors make the mistake of eating healthy foods too quickly or while watching television. This weakens digestion and reduces the benefits. Treat this moment as a calm transition into bedtime. After eating the nuts, drink a small amount of warm water or a caffeine-free herbal tea like chamomile. Warm fluids gently dilate blood vessels, improving circulation to the eyes and helping nutrients travel where they are needed most. Avoid cold drinks at night, as they slow digestion and can cause discomfort. One of the most important steps comes next: protecting your eyes from light. Blue light exposure after eating blocks melatonin production and interferes with retinal repair. Dim the lights in your home. Avoid phones, tablets, and televisions for at least 30 minutes before sleep. If screens are unavoidable, use blue light filters and keep brightness low. This simple step alone can significantly improve sleep quality and reduce nighttime eye strain. Many seniors wonder how quickly they will notice changes. Within the first few days, some people report calmer eyes and less nighttime dryness. After 1 to 2 weeks, morning vision often feels clearer, with reduced stiffness or irritation. Over 3 to 4 weeks, glare sensitivity may decrease, and reading may feel easier, especially in the early hours of the day. For some seniors, night driving becomes slightly more comfortable as contrast sensitivity improves. These changes are subtle at first but meaningful over time. It's important to understand that this routine does not reverse severe eye disease overnight, but it supports the body's natural defenses, slows progression, and protects remaining vision, which is incredibly valuable as we age. Another benefit many seniors don't expect is improved sleep itself. Almonds and walnuts contain magnesium, which relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system. Walnuts also support melatonin production. Better sleep means longer periods of deep restorative rest, which further enhances eye repair and overall health. Better sleep also reduces cortisol, a stress hormone that damages blood vessels in the eyes when elevated at night. Lower cortisol protects the retina and optic nerve from long-term harm. Consistency is the secret. Skipping nights weakens results. Eating the nuts at random times during the day reduces their effectiveness. Treat this routine like brushing your teeth, a small nightly habit that protects something precious. However, there are a few important cautions. If you have a known nut allergy, do not follow this routine. If you have kidney disease or have been advised to limit selenium, speak with your doctor before consuming Brazil nuts regularly. If you take blood-thinning medication, keep portions consistent and modest. Also, avoid combining this routine with sugary desserts, alcohol, or salty snacks. Sugar spikes insulin and inflammation. Alcohol dehydrates eye tissues and disrupts REM sleep. Salt increases fluid retention and eye pressure. These habits silently undo the benefits of nighttime nutrition. Instead, keep evenings light. Eat dinner earlier. Allow your body to shift into repair mode naturally. Hydration matters too. Drink enough water throughout the day to support tear production and circulation, but avoid large amounts right before bed to prevent sleep disruption. Many seniors also notice cognitive benefits from this routine. The same nutrients that nourish the eyes support brain health. The optic nerve is part of the central nervous system. Improved circulation and reduced inflammation often lead to clearer thinking, better focus, and reduced mental fatigue. Vision and memory are closely connected. When one improves, the other often follows. Most importantly, listen to your body. Everyone responds differently. If something feels uncomfortable, adjust portions or timing. Health is personal, and gentle consistency always beats intensity. Your eyes have worked hard for you for decades. They have adapted to light, strain, and time itself. Supporting them now is an act of respect, not fear. By choosing these 4 nuts before bed, you are not chasing miracles. You are giving your eyes what they need, when they need it most. Night after night. Quietly, naturally, and over time that makes all the difference.